Look at that. Just give you guys a quick little. Oh yeah. This is a Forza Stage 4. This is a 1,000 horsepower Hellcat. Well, this is a big car.
This is a very big car.
I like it.
Oh my god.
Dude, it just fucking left a patch.
That's all it does.
It's so controllable. I still got my flashers on. I'm gonna turn that shit off. Oh. I just left the biggest fucking patch in this gated community, dude. Oh my god. Sorry. I didn't mean to. You know, I did. Oh, there's a pedestrian. What's he doing? Oh, he's going. He knows what's up.
It's like that's the Hellcat, huh?
Ready? I'm gonna do it again. Fuck. Ow! Oh, baby. I like it when you touch me there.
I don't think the Ferrari's gonna be any fun after this.
I think we're gonna be like, oh.
This should have been the second car.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude, that is unreal. Oh my god. It's fucking nuts. I'm gonna slow down. Put it in the side view mirror.
In the side view.
Let me put that up there. Alright, can you get it in the side view mirror?
Yeah.
I want you guys to see this fucking patch I'm about to drop. Wait, I think there's a cop up there.
Where?
In the middle of the road.
No.
No? Alright.
Just a quick hit. That'd be
Alright, so we're going 30 miles an hour. And here we go. Oh shit. Dude, that patch, I can see it from here.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, there's a Corvette. Oh. You know what you call that?
He doesn't want any.
You call that a Hellcat snack. You want some catnip, baby? Yeah, she does. Here we go. We're going to encourage some nonsense. I think we might owe our buddy some tires when we're done.
We should probably just give him like $600 for the tires for this day.
Yeah. Oh, the Corvette don't want any.
Can you blame him?
It does say 1,000 horsepower on the side of it.
It does.
We'll let him come up and see if he wants some.
It was a humble build.
Yeah. 1,000 horsepower, pump gas. There he is. Jesus. Oh, he's coming around.
Is it?
He's smiling. All right. Let's go put this in the garage.
Before we break it.
I was thinking more before we go to jail.
Fair enough.